Hey everyone, Dean here, and today we are diving into the world of dash cams, your trusty co-pilot in this crazy world of driving. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just starting out, having a dash cam can make a huge difference. Let's be real, we've all had those moments on the road where we wish we had video evidence, right? Those heart-stopping near misses or unexpected events that leave you shaking your head. Whether it's a near miss, a fender bender, or even just capturing some epic scenery on a road trip, dash cams have become essential. They offer a unique perspective and can turn your everyday drives into memorable experiences. Now you might be thinking, Dean, do I really need a dash cam? And my answer is a resounding yes. It's not just about recording accidents, it's about peace of mind and having a reliable witness on the road. Think of it as an extra layer of protection, like insurance for your car, but for your peace of mind. It can save you from a lot of hassle and provide undeniable proof when you need it. They're not just for accidents either, they're about accountability, transparency, and having your back when you need it most. Imagine having clear evidence to support your claims in any situation. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about dash cams in 2024. From installation tips to understanding the latest features, we've got you covered. We'll be talking top features, the best models on the market, and why this tech is a game changer for drivers everywhere. Whether you're looking for something budget friendly or top of the line, there's a dash cam out there for you. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get you up to speed on dash cams. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. Alright, let's talk features. When choosing a dash cam, there are three key things you absolutely need to consider: resolution, night vision, and parking mode. First up, resolution. You want a dash cam that captures crystal clear footage, right? This is crucial for capturing important details. Look for at least 1080p resolution, which is the minimum standard for decent quality. But for the best clarity, 1440p or even 4K is ideal. These higher resolutions ensure you don't miss any critical details. Trust me, when you need to read a license plate or make out details in an incident, that higher resolution will be a lifesaver. It can make all the difference in providing clear evidence. Next, we've got night vision. This feature is essential for nighttime driving. Accidents don't just happen in broad daylight, right? Night vision ensures your dash cam is just as effective after dark. A good dash cam will have excellent low light capabilities, capturing clear footage even in challenging lighting conditions. Using things like Sony Starvis sensors or wide aperture lenses to capture clear footage even in the darkest conditions. These technologies are game changers for night vision. And finally, let's talk parking mode. This feature is a must-have for vehicle security. This feature is a game changer for protecting your vehicle even when you're not around. It keeps an eye on your car 24/7. Dash cams with parking mode use motion sensors to detect any bumps or impacts while your car is parked and automatically start recording. This ensures you have evidence of any incidents. So if someone dings your door in the parking lot, you'll have it all on camera. This can be invaluable for insurance claims or identifying the culprit. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. The best dash cams of 2024. This year, we've seen some incredible advancements in technology, making these devices more reliable and feature-packed than ever before. We've got a killer lineup this year, packed with features and ready to keep you safe on the road. From crystal clear video quality to advanced safety features, these dash cams are designed to give you peace of mind while driving. First up, we have the name of Dashcam 1. This model has been turning heads with its impressive specs and sleek design. This bad boy is a beast, boasting mentioned key features of Dashcam 1, e.g. 4K resolution, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity. Whether you're capturing scenic drives or crucial evidence, this Dashcam won't let you down. It's a bit pricier than some of the others, but trust me, the image quality and features are worth every penny. Investing in this Dashcam means investing in your safety and security on the road. Next, we've got the name of Dashcam 2, a more budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. It's perfect for those who want great features without breaking the bank. It's got mentioned key features of Dashcam 2, e.g. 1440p resolution, wide angle lens, excellent night vision. This Dashcam ensures you get clear footage day or night and covers a wide field of view. For the price, you really can't beat it. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking to enhance their driving experience without spending a fortune. And finally, let's talk about the name of Dashcam 3. This model is all about being compact and discreet, making it ideal for those who prefer a less obtrusive setup. This one's a bit more compact and discreet, perfect if you don't want a bulky camera on your windshield. Its small size doesn't compromise its functionality. Don't let its size fool you, though. It still packs a punch with mentioned key features of Dashcam 3, e.g. 1080p resolution, parking mode, loop recording. It's a great choice for those who want a reliable and unobtrusive dashcam. One of the coolest things about dash cams is their ability to record in real time. But what does that actually mean for you as a driver? Let's break it down. Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway and suddenly traffic slams on the brakes. You manage to stop in time, but the car behind you isn't so lucky. With a dash cam's real-time recording, you'll have video evidence that shows exactly what happened, protecting you from any false claims or insurance disputes. But it's not just about accidents. Real-time recording can also come in handy for things like capturing scenic drives, documenting road rage incidents, or even just keeping an eye on your teen driver. We all hope to avoid accidents, but the reality is they happen. And when they do, having a dash cam can be the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major headache. Dash cams provide unbiased, time-stamped video evidence that can be crucial in proving fault, especially in hit-and-run situations or when dealing with insurance companies. They can also help to refute false claims or provide valuable insights into the cause of an accident. Think of it like this. A dashcam is like having an impartial witness with you at all times, ready to back up your story and provide evidence when you need it most. Now, let's talk about security. Dashcams aren't just for protecting you while you're driving. They can also deter theft and vandalism while your car is parked. Many dashcams come equipped with parking mode, which we talked about earlier. This feature is like having a watchful eye on your vehicle 24/7. If someone bumps into your car, tries to break in, or even just acts suspiciously around it, the dashcam will start recording, capturing valuable evidence. This added security can give you peace of mind knowing that your vehicle is protected even when you're not around. Plus, it can even help to lower your insurance premiums in some cases. So, there you have it. Everything you need to know about dash cams in 2024. These devices have gone from being a luxury to a must-have for drivers everywhere. Remember, a dash cam is an investment in your safety, security, and peace of mind. It's about having evidence to support your side of the story, protecting yourself from fraudulent claims, and deterring those who might try to take advantage. If you're in the market for a dash cam, be sure to check out the links in the description below for our top recommendations. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and guides.